If you're wondering whether Kashoo or Xero offers better integration with third-party apps, you're in the right place. Both are popular accounting tools, but when it comes to integrations, it's important to know which one will support your business needs the most. Stick around until the end, because I'll also show you a better alternative for seamless app integration that you might want to check out. First off, let's talk about Kashoo. Kashoo is known for its simplicity and ease of use, but how does it fare when it comes to integrating with third-party apps? Well, Kashoo does offer some integrations, especially with payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, but the selection is relatively limited compared to some other accounting tools. This could be a deal breaker if you rely on a broad set of apps to run your business. Now, moving on to Xero. Xero is a powerhouse when it comes to integrations. In fact, it has an extensive app marketplace with hundreds of third-party apps, covering everything from payroll to inventory management to CRM systems. Whether you're looking to connect your business with tools like Shopify, Square, or even Google Sheets, Xero likely has an integration for it. But here's the catch: while Xero has a wider selection, the quality of these integrations isn't always perfect. Some integrations can be clunky, and setting them up can take longer than you might expect. Next thing to consider is the ease of use. Kashoo's integrations are designed to be straightforward, and setting them up doesn't take much time. However, with Xero, due to the sheer number of integrations available, the learning curve can be steeper, especially for users who are not familiar with accounting software. You might spend more time navigating through different options to find the best fit for your needs. The fourth thing we need to mention is pricing. Kashoo's pricing is simple, with one affordable plan, and the third-party app integrations are included. On the other hand, Xero's pricing is tiered, and some integrations are available only in higher-tier plans. So, while Xero offers more app choices, you may end up paying more depending on which features you need. Now, the fifth thing to think about is customer support. Kashoo's support is generally well-rated, but with Xero being such a large platform, some users report slower responses when it comes to troubleshooting app integrations. This is something to consider if you expect high-touch customer service. Finally, after testing both Kashoo and Xero, I can say that both have their strengths. Kashoo is great for small businesses looking for simplicity, but it does fall short when it comes to the variety and depth of integrations. Xero, on the other hand, offers a broader range of integrations, but it may take more time and effort to get things running smoothly. If you're looking for an alternative that delivers better third-party app integration without the hassle, there's a platform that takes the best of both worlds. After trying all of them myself, I recommend checking out the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. It's the perfect solution if you want seamless integration and ease of use in one package.